Hi there, meet the Tofficu stainless steel steaming rack, a versatile kitchen essential designed for lasting performance and safety. Made from rust-resistant stainless steel, it ensures durability and easy cleaning every time you use it. This 9.25-inch round rack fits perfectly in most pots and pans, providing ample space for steaming, cooling, or baking your favorite foods. Its three-legged triangular design offers superior stability, keeping your bowls, plates, and food secure without tipping. Whether you're steaming eggs, cooling baked goods, or using it as a steamer basket, this rack adapts to your cooking needs effortlessly. The smooth surface not only makes cleaning quick but also promotes hygienic kitchen use. Upgrade your cooking tools with this multi-purpose rack that balances convenience, safety, and functionality. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.